for good, so let them niggas know it.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Raven Simone. If you're new, please subscribe. Today I'll be filming a video in the shower, washing my hair. My hair is so dirty. If you've seen my how I style my dirty hair tutorial, my hair is still dirty from that time. So it's just time to wash my hair. So that's what I'll be doing right here in the shower. And I'll be talking through it, saying what I'm using and stuff. But you probably won't be able to hear because the shower will be on. So if not, it'll just be some music playing. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm just gonna wet my whole head before I put anything in my head. Some of this Design Essentials. This is the almond and avocado one. And I low-key don't think there's anything in it. But if there's not anything in it, I'll be using Aussie. This for my shampoo. Yeah. Let me see. And I love this Design Essentials. Oh yeah, it's enough in here. Design Essentials shampoo, and I like the way it lathers. So this water is so hot. So I'm gonna lather that in my head. And I like for my shampoo to be real sooty. And I don't know why. Or maybe I just don't know how to wash my hair. But I have to go in like 2 times with shampoo just so we can get sooty like. So going in with a little bit more. Rub it together and put it on the back of my head. I'm going to massage my scalp because, as you know, my hair is so dirty. It needs a lot of TLC. I love this shampoo. It's so fun. And it smells like really good. I know avocado don't seem like it would smell good for a shampoo, but it smells real good. So I'll put some more water in my hair, especially in the front, so we get a little bit more soapy. And I'm gonna massage my scalp and scratch it as I'm shampooing it, just so my pores can open up in my scalp, so my hair can grow some more. And I'm just scratching my edges because I've had a lot of got-to-be glue on my edges. Eco Style Gel, just some of everything. So make sure you get all the product out of there. And in the back. And I don't comb my hair when I'm shampooing it, because I feel like that just breaks your hair off. Because shampoo, the way it just tangles your hair, I just rather not comb it while shampooing my hair. So I'm just doing this. So I get all that nasty product out my head. So now I'm going to rinse it out. I'm just making sure I get the back. And I do have a lot of like loose strands coming out, but that's okay because it's barely being combed or washed, so that's expected. Oops. So I'm still rinsing off the shampoo. Ooh. And I honestly don't know what type of hair I have, so you know, the little numbers and letters, I don't know. So if you know what type of hair I have, please let me know. You can drop it down in the comment section below and help a sister out. So that's doing that. I think I got all the shampoo out. Did I? I hope so. Now what I do, since I don't do this every time I wash my hair, but every so often I do, because I barely wash my hair anyway. But I have this oil in here that I made that, like, this helped my hair grow too when I was using it. I stopped using it for like probably like 3 months or so. I don't know if you noticed, like in my last video I said I haven't oiled my scalp in a while. This is what I use sometimes to oil my scalp. And I made this. This is, it's melted. It wasn't solid at first. But it's coconut oil with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, jojoba oil, and I think there's lavender in here, but I know for sure there's tea tree and peppermint essential oils in here. And it's so strong. It's super strong, but I like it. And I even put tea tree oil in my shampoo and conditioner for my hair. So now I'm just gonna like squeeze this throughout my hair. Like that. And this makes your hair like super strong. So I got the oils in there, so I'm gonna just massage my scalp again so the oils can get in there. Take a little bit more. Like usually it's a solid, but I just fill the sink up with hot water and just sit it in there for like a minute, and it just what's it called, boils down, whatever. So I just put that in my hair. So now I'm going in with some conditioner. I'm going in with this OGX conditioner, argan oil conditioner, and this has tea tree oil in it. I put the tea tree oil in here. I don't know if it has it on its own. Oh my gosh, it's empty. It's empty. So I only got this much out of it. So I'm gonna go in with my Aussie conditioner, and I usually use this for my weave, but it's a good conditioner. It's cheap. It's like $3. So I use a lot of conditioner. This much for right now, and just go around my head. Ooh, this smells so good with this oil in my head. It's so strong. So, see that? I need more. sure it's in the middle. And usually, sometimes I'll let my hair dry after I shampoo it and then put the conditioner in here. I like that method too, but since I'm already in here, and for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and do it while my hair is wet. And I'm going to finger comb it while the conditioner's in my head. So I'm going to do that. And I have more hair on my hands, which is okay. So while my scalp is like tingling and it feels so good, and I promise you it's that tea tree oil. It's so strong, and the peppermint oil. I love peppermint oil in my hair too. So while this is saturating, I'm gonna put a scrunchie on my head. Where did I put this in? I don't know where I put the scrunchie, so I'm gonna have to use this rubber band. I had rubber bands on my hair. So I'm gonna put it up. My scalp feels so good, like legit tingling right now, which is good. So I'm gonna keep this like this. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more oil and just put it around here and the back, like around my edges. So when I wash the conditioner out my hair won't be dehydrated and dry. Because I like my hair oily. I like to keep my hair oily. So while that's in here, I'm going to go ahead and finish showering. And then I'll get back with y'all and rinse it out. So now I'm going to wash this out of my head. It's been about 10 minutes, which is not a lot. But it's enough for me. And just rinse it out. And I still feel that tea tree and peppermint tingling. Ooh, it's in my eye. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ooh, I gotta hurry up. This is bleach on the towel, so don't be like, ew, blah, blah, blah. So, you take this pink towel, just a regular towel. People be saying towels, they create breakage or something. So people use t-shirts. Haven't tried it yet. I don't think I care enough to try it, but I probably will one day. But as of now, no. This works. So I'm gonna let my hair dry and I'll be back again. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I haven't put anything in my hair yet. It just dried. I'll on it for about 7 minutes or so, and I took it off. But this is how my hair is looking. It's super soft, and while it was drying, I did feel the tea tree and peppermint tingling my scalp. So now I'm probably about to clip my ends myself. And then I'm probably going to put this in my hair. I just bought this Jelly Soft Curls. I've never used it before, but it seemed like it would work well for my hair. So I'm going to cut my hair, put this in here, and show you the finished look. So I just used this in my hair, and I like it. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It feels like a gel. I thought it was more of like a moisturizer, but I guess not. It says popping curls, no crunch. So, are they popping? I think so. They got my edges laid though. I didn't even put a lot on my edges. But I did clip my ends. I cut like this much off my hair. So, yep, that's it. That's how I wash my hair when I wash it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
Hold back this time. I won't hold back.